In this video, we learn about how to create lags of time series data in Python. To do this, first install pandas library. At second step, we create sample data. DF is the abbreviation used for data frame. Data frame in Python is two-dimensional tabular data structure labeled with rows and columns, and we use DF for its abbreviation. So pd dot data frame data frame. Now we create our data. We label data with values. So I write its name values. Colon start braces. Here you write your data set. These are the 5 values, and next step we create lag. Suppose that this is our data set 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and we want to create its lag. DF lag 1. We want to create lag with order 1. DF start braces I write here DF because our data is stored in DF, and values dot shift. Shift command is used to create lag because in lag function we required each observation lag with its previous value for one lag. So we use shift 1. I use here print command to visualize the data, and now run. Here is the data set. As you know, these are the values data set we generate 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And here is the lag 1. We create for lag 1. As you know, in lag each observation lag its previous values. It's for 20 its previous value is 10. So lag with 10, 30 and so on. 50 lag with its previous value which is 40. This is for lag 1. If you want to see clear concept about lag, you can see my separate video about lags. So in this video I explain how to create lags in Python. You can use similar program for second and third lags. If you want to create third lag, then lag 3, and here shift 3. For second lag, lag 2, shift 2. Thanks for watching.